Hello, all. We are Tertiary Designs, and our product is called a Polar Knapsack. So, our opportunity statement is how might we create a lightweight and portable product that protects the user entire body from severe weather condition while also providing homeless citizens with a low or no cost option.
So we came up with a solution. The Polar Knapsack addressed the need for a lightweight and affordable way to keep outdoor enthusiasts and homeless citizens warm during the winter month. The transformable jacket and slash sleeping bag combination will feature a secure zipper pocket hidden behind a pouch pocket, built-in mittens, and an antimicrobial lining to keep the product clean for longer. The Polar Knapsack will not only keep the user warm during the outdoor trip, but represent an opportunity to save the life of those with little to no shelter in freezing weather. So let's look at those who are involved. As mentioned above, our main goal is to help the homeless of Colorado during the harsh winter month. They are the individual that have to deal with the struggle of staying warm and the struggle of staying dry. And while we were making our product, we find that we could also aim our product at outdoor enthusiasts. They would like to travel light. They also like to pack very light so that they could bring more stuff. This jacket would allow them to bring a warm jacket, but also a sleeping bag within 3 seconds. And looking at a potential investor, we want to bring our product within to many manufacturers as well as charitable organizations, hoping to provide us with investment possibility to make this product wide mainstream.
All right, so our prototypes. Our first prototype started off with this sketch above, which we turned into a very small and low fidelity prototype. From there, we went back to the drawing board. We used sketches to figure out how we would manipulate our fabric to make our design possible. We also looked at the zipper on the side and making sure the sleeping bag would roll up into a jacket. From there, we worked on the body of the prototype. So the prototype had to be long enough to cover the entire body, but also be able to roll up and be used as just a jacket. We also added a secure zipper pocket behind the pouch pocket. We also focused on the hood. We used a fur trim on one and then antimicrobial lining on another to see which one we liked the best.
We then took these prototypes and started testing them with users. The first thing that we got feedback on was the desire for built-in mittens in this prototype. It wasn't originally part of our design, but it's something that we heard enough feedback on and we decided to add. The next thing we tested was our hood type between the two, the antimicrobial and the fur line. A majority of our users decided that it would be optimal to have both features, a combination of the two. We then also tested our sub-freezing material for the sleeping bag itself. We determined that a downfill would be best to keep warm in those cold winter temperatures, along with an exterior made of ripstop that has been treated with water repellent. And then we also talked to our users about the secure pocket location. It was split on where they wanted it to be. Overall, we ended up leaving it behind the fur-lined pocket in the front.
So after the testing, we got to our latest prototype design. Currently, this is what our prototype looks like. We decided after the user testing to do a hybrid hood and kept the drawstrings on there so that we could cinch the hood. We put the built-in mittens, but we wanted to make sure that it was a feature that didn't have to be used all the time. We left that secure zipper pocket where it was behind the pouch pocket. And we plan on making the bottom of the sleeping bag taper more when it's laid out, as well as possibly adding padding to the hood to provide a pillow for those without one. So the design continues, but we're happy with where we're at and we appreciate you guys coming.